Welcome to the launch of Everfree. Everfree is financial education products created by myself, and it's sitting on the AS Brokers website. The first product is an Everfree course. It's a mini course. It's called Income from Capital. And when you retire, you're going to need income from your investments. You create your investments through your life. At one stage, you've got to get income from them. Example, your pension fund, that's probably most people's biggest assets. Sale of a property, sale of a business, inheritance. In the course we talk about capital events. Where is this capital coming from? Do you recognize a capital event when you see it? And do you know what to do with the money? You know, capital events only happen to people once, maybe twice in their life if they're lucky. Then the second part of the Everfree products is our bouquet of calculators. Now, why multiple calculators? It's because you've got to be able to calculate multiple things. One is goal setting. What is your goal? How much money do you need in order to become financially free? What is the growth rate that you need on your investment? How much do you need to save? Where are you going to put your investments to get the best results? Now, I've created calculators to help people understand the concept of financial planning. Most of the time, those calculators are only available to financial planners, and I've wanted to create them as easy as possible for people to understand. My goal is to create videos around each and every calculator to help you understand how it works and help you on your way forward to financial freedom. You can get access to the calculators via our website. The links will be below in the description, and I've also created a blog post to launch my products. You will only need to become a member of the AS Brokers website. Other than that, our financial calculators are free for you to use. I just want to tell you a little bit of story about this. I've been building these courses for a long time, but been battling because it's quite difficult. Building calculators is not easy. I do not know how to program Excel and make spreadsheets and that. But artificial intelligence has made that all possible. I'm going to create a community of people that becomes part of this Everfree program, and I will be able to teach you how I've used these tools to help me build these things. Will you need them in your business? I think you do. Artificial intelligence is changing everything that we do. It's changing how we're going to conduct our businesses. It can help you with certain things. For example, if you get stuck with a problem, you can ask artificial intelligence and it gives you ideas, it gives you plans, it gives you other spins of things, how to do it. Artificial intelligence is not the everything going forward, but it becomes a tool. Somebody described it as electricity. We use electricity in our everyday life, and we are going to use artificial intelligence in our everyday life going forward. And that's not going to change if you like it or not. The next is the Wealth Creators University. I've been a student for a very long time, and you'll see on my YouTube channel there's also a dedication to Dr. Hannes Dreyer. I've learned everything I know about the topic of financial freedom from the Wealth Creators University, and there's also a link below to the university. Why this is important is because we use affiliate marketing as a tool to create money to save extra. You will see from that retirement calculators that the chances of you becoming financially free from your savings is almost zero. People do not have the ability to save enough. And then what is the secrets? That secrets, you need to go and learn them. You need to find the information from somebody. And a shortcut is going through to the Wealth Creators University. The last dedication I wanted to Everest Wealth, I talk a lot about their products and why. It's because their products are very simple in their design. It's not linked to the markets. There is no black swan events. So if President Trump say something, it does not affect unlisted shares products, because they invest in smaller businesses. They've got a lot of control on the portfolio, and there's not a lot of fluctuations. 5 specific things that I like about these products, and I talk about them in my mini course. So go and check out the course if you want to learn how these products work. I've also created a comparison tool for you to see what the cost is if your money is not working hard enough. So if your money is sitting in a bank account and you're only earning 6 to 8%, it could be that you're losing out on a lot of potential of what your capital can do for you. Alright, I'm not going to talk more in this video. Go and check out my calculators, go and check out my program, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, bye.